So what's up, everybody? What I have in my hands right now is something I know we all know and love. It requires no introduction. Oh my God, the smell of it right now, right underneath my nose, is just reminding me of childhood memories, riding in the back and having my dad pull up to that drive-thru and begging for that kid's meal so I could see what kind of toy it is. But it's all about this smell, this intoxicating aroma that lasts in the car forever and on your clothes. And it's awesome. It reminds me of everything that I know and I love as a kid. Well, not everything, but it's freaking delicious. So today, I'm not going to try to make it better. I'm going to try to mimic this exactly and even try to mimic the process that they go through without their factory, but here at home. So, without further ado, let's try it. The first and most important ingredient known to mankind, water. I got about a third cup of corn syrup. Nice warm water will stir the corn syrup in nicely. A brine needs salt. How about 3 tablespoons worth of salt? Yeah, 3. And to balance out the brine, we're gonna have to add a little tang. How about a teaspoon of white vinegar? Yeah. Now, why are you making this brine, Dennis? Well, I'm making it because it's going to take the starch out of the potatoes overnight so they'll be crispier. Plus, it'll add some nice McDonald's-y flavor to them, I hope. So many lovely potatoes to choose from, but russets make the best fries. Now comes the peeling. This is going to be forever. Let's use our magic. Now, I don't gamble, but I bet there's not a dude sitting in the McDonald's headquarters cutting potatoes into little slices like this trying to make uniform fries. So, back to magic. And now we put our fries into our lovely McDonald's marinade. We're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge, I don't know, a couple hours, overnight. Let's give it a shot. Always make sure you blow them a kiss. Now, when you finally take them out of the fridge, you're going to see a condition what I call limp fried, which I don't know too much about. But we're going to want to change them from that dirty bowl in some nice clean water to get all that starch off. Look at all that starch that's left over in that old bowl. Now we're going to put them on a pan so some air can circulate all around. We're going to double up because we've got a lot of fries, so a lot of air will be circulating around everywhere. And then we're going to let it dry out. Alright, here we go into the fryer. Now remember, this isn't the full fry, this is just the par fry. And then we're going to freeze it like McDonald's does. And put it in a bag in the freezer until it's ready to go and eat. So here I am, wannabe McDonald's fry chef, pretending it's the day of serving fries, so I'm taking them out of the freezer directly into that fryer. Notice they're not bubbling up like crazy because there's no more water, it's just the oil in them now. So I'm just gonna go, these are all frozen by the way. And then they're gonna get nice and golden and we're gonna take them out. Now McDonald's takes them out a little sooner, I think. I think I left it in too long because it's a little too golden brown compared to McDonald's. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the McDonald's French Fries Special. Here we have, on my right is Ross, and on my other right we have Lauren. What we have here is my attempt to recreate the McDonald's French fries. Now, all right, everybody, so we're gonna blindfold Ross and have him taste both fries. I'm not gonna feed it to him. I'm gonna have Lauren do it because I don't go there.
Your hands clean?
Yeah, my hands are never clean. They're always picking up after dogs. So Ross, I can't, however, put this on you. So
put it on.
You're gonna have to run the hat. Ross doesn't take his hat off. Nothing. No. Is this blindfolding you? Can you see?
Is this what you wear when you sleep?
No, actually. I just happen to have it. No, I swear, I don't wear it when I sleep. I just,
You just have it.
I just take a couple swings of tequila and go away for a long time. Are you good?
Yeah.
Can you see anything?
Nada.
All right,
There we go.
Lauren. You tell us. What are you gonna start? I mean, you go.
I can't tell.
No, you can't. You can't.
It's just gotta be sneaky.
So some of them are crispier than others.
Mhm.
Let's try to find the most.
Oh, what was that?
There's a ghost off in the corner.
Burglar.
Okay, let's try that. All right, Ross. Well, why don't you go first over there? Okay. So they're gonna do this. You do the same time. Okay. They tell them to open their mouth. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Is it? Talk to us about it.
Tastes very familiar.
Okay.
Almost like a Mickey D's fry.
Okay.
Coming to me.
Now open your mouth again. Here comes another.
Mmm.
Okay.
A little less crunch.
That's
A little less salt. A little drier. I like the first one the best.
Ross, take off your blindfold.
What we got here?
Ross, apparently you like the homemade McDonald's French fry
Loved it.
above the original McDonald's French
I
fry.
even tried to like waft it in
Better
front of you,
taste.
So you couldn't tell.
Listen, we're not endorsing. We're no part in any way affiliated with McDonald's. This is just a comparison. I'm doing my best to mimic McDonald's, so in no way are we better or anything like that.
Well, just
A little legal disclaimer, but we're just trying to be as close to McDonald's as possible. So apparently, I didn't make it exactly like McDonald's.
That almost
Lauren,
had a
I
slight-
want to try this. Let's do
Okay,
it.
what are you doing? McDonald's.
I wanna do
or the regular?
McDonald's first.
Okay. Let's do the McDonald's.
Just because
Let's get the idea.
this is what I know.
Okay.
It's a McDonald's fry. A little bit
Dinner.
sitting around for a while, waiting for us to film.
A little dried out.
We can tell it's.
This one almost has the taste of a morel mushroom.
In all,
Fancy.
in all
Okay.
honesty, I mean they have been sitting around for a while. Meanwhile, these were just
This
freshly
is the
fried.
dentist fry.
The GASTRONOMERIA fry because it's an English.
Oh, sorry, McDonald's.
Mmm.
This one won. This is
Not
better.
good, isn't it?
Guys,
McDonald's is good. I like McDonald's fries. Don't get me wrong.
I think
But this one
Denny's
wins.
just upped them.
Just saying.
McDonald's, please don't take offense to this.
You still got your game.
But wait.
There's current
Do
competition.
you see the flavor though? It's
This
similar.
one flavor. It's similar flavor. But I like the texture of yours better.
So let me explain why you guys are here.
I do.
So McDonald's does it in a special way because they don't stand there at each franchise and slice each potato and peel each potato, and then marinate it in a brine.
They come frozen, right?
Right. They come frozen, but they come already like a little bit par fried, so it's just cooked twice. So I try to mimic through trial and error as close as I can. So I use like corn syrup, salt, a little bit of vinegar, water, marinated it for a while, and then I kind of par fried it a little bit for like 5 minutes really fast, and then I froze it because when it comes to a McDonald's, it comes frozen, right? And what did they do? They open it up and they dump it in a fryer, right?
That's it.
And that's exactly what I did here. So I try to mimic it as close as possible.
The flavor is similar. Oh, like the
Very
flavor is similar,
In the background, the flavor's the same, right?
but the texture.
The first
I like
bite.
the texture of this of yours.
And you know why I think so? Because if you look at a McDonald's French fry,
They're more stringy.
they're first of all they're very uniform, as opposed to cutting it by hand. But they fry it to a very specific, a very specific color. It doesn't really go brown. Like I really wouldn't say this is like the golden brown fry that
No.
as opposed to like the homemade version,
It's much
which is
Yeah.
much more golden brown, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like what you kind of want to see more. And yeah, it's not as uniform, but man, it's good.
I like this one better.
Then
Alright.
nailed it.
So.
Yeah, Dennis's French fries.
Nailed
Woo!
it.
We're eating
But
these.
McDonald's, we love you.
I'll still come visit you,
Well,
McDonald's.
yeah, absolutely.
Next time I get a Big Mac.
I think there you have it. I mean, we had a really close competition. In my opinion, what made the homemade version, the gastronomerian version a little better is that I gave it a little more fry time, as opposed to, clearly, this is just fried to a very, very specific temperature, and it's not really, it doesn't have that crisp to it, but it's what we all know and love and what we grew up with. And so I think that's what made it. So I tried. I didn't nail it exactly at McDonald's. Maybe one day I'll get it exact. So this wasn't like a what's better, what's worse. This is how close I can come. So clearly I just gave it a little bit more time in the fryer. It crispened it up more, and I think it'll last a little bit more that way. And I think I salted it a little bit more too.
You did.
Yours has a little more pizzazz.
A little more salt.
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yours has a little more pizzazz.
Yeah.
That's
That one's a little more dry.
But
This one has the crunch factor.
But the background flavor,
The background flavor.
it's similar, right? Because I wasn't going for any kind of
I
like
don't make
truffly-
ketchup with those.
Yeah. All right. So the flavor's there. The brine was right. I mean, I don't know exactly what y'all use in your brine McDonald's, but I think I came kind of close, and you can taste it. But anyway, regardless, guys, thank you so much for joining us for the episode of Recreating McDonald's French Fries. Guys, try it at home if you have the time, if you have the capability. I don't have the time. I don't know how the hell I did this. Oh wait, yeah, I don't work. No, I'm joking. But anyway,
And we just eat the food. Which
but
is okay.
they seem to be enjoying this. So what we're gonna do, as we usually do, is
Ross is gonna take the fries.
I'm gonna make French fries out of this one. This is the one that Ross likes most. Yeah, this has been.
That's just enough for me.
Remember when you were a kid? And you got French fries with your friends, and you like check this one out. You pull one out of the
And see who had the longest fry.
and you're like, look at that! And they were all jealous of you. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us. I got a free offer for you guys. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, and then you get amazing content every week, almost every week. That's all I ask of you guys. Just hit that subscribe button, and we really appreciate you guys joining us. We're gonna stand here and probably devour the rest of these, and then probably go have dinner somewhere else after this, probably without French fries. So, all right, guys. So, thank you so much for joining us, and bye.